Hello everyone, this is Saket from Google Developer Student Clubs, Anurag University. First, let me give you a small introduction about our club. Our lead is Shambhu Prasad from 4th year CSE department. We have 9 core team members. You might have attended our events like Flutterfest, Google Cloud Campaign, Android Compose Camp, Bridgeathon, etc. So I think you all have got the invitations to our event on 25th. As you know, there is a hands-on session on StreamLit. For that, there are few prerequisites. You need to download few Python packages and Sublime text editor for that session. First, let us see how to download the Sublime text editor. First, go to the internet and search for Sublime text. Then you will see the official website sublimetext.com. From that, click download for Windows. After downloading the setup, open the file and click yes. Next, next, install. So we have completed the installation of Sublime text. Now we will download the required Python packages. These are the required Python packages: Streamlit, NumPy, Pandas, and Scikit-learn. First, we'll go to the command prompt. We'll use pip command to install these libraries. It will take a bit time. Now we have installed all the libraries. We'll check for the version of Streamlit. So we have downloaded all the libraries successfully. Now let us create a small program to see if all the things are installed correctly or not. First, we'll go to the Sublime text editor. We'll write a small piece of code. We'll save this file with py.py. Now we'll go to the command prompt. We'll change the path to desktop where the file is there. Now we'll run a small command, streamlit run. Now we got the hello. So we have installed all the required libraries successfully. So that's it. Thank you. We'll see you at the session.